Today I'm going to be making the Triple B burger. What's a Triple B burger? Stick around to find out. What's a Triple B burger? It's bison, it's beef, and it's barbecue. We're going to be making a burger that's half ground bison and half ground beef with barbecue sauce incorporated in the onions that are going to top it. We're also going to be putting some pepper jack cheese on it. Yes, I know cheese. I almost never put cheese on my burgers. Today I'm going to put cheese on this burger. First thing we have to do is combine the bison and the ground beef. Bison is a fairly lean meat, and when it's ground up, it still is lean. So we're going to be adding ground beef to this that's 73% lean, meaning you got 27% fat in it. That's going to add that fat, which is going to help with the flavor of this burger along with the spices. So let's get our bison in the bowl first. That's a pound of ground bison. And that's a pound of that 73% lean ground beef. In this ground beef, you can see these white flecks in the meat. That's all the fat. This is a not lean cut, but that's okay. We're combining this with that very lean bison. So before I start actually mixing these two meats together and combining them, I want to get the seasoning in here. Our first seasoning is about a teaspoon of ground black pepper. We're adding 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika. The rest of the seasoning is going to go on the outside of the burger. So let's mix this up. It's really important to get the two meats mixed together well here. You don't want big lumps of bison and big lumps of ground beef. You want to mix those flavors. If you've never had a bison burger before and you're a little unsure of it, this is a good way to start. But bison burgers that are just bison on their own can be fantastic if they're cooked right and seasoned right. Starting to look good here. You can start to see the color of this is getting to be a little more uniform, not just the whiteness of that high-fat ground beef and the more redness of the bison. It's starting to become one color here, but we're going to keep mixing. This is where gloves come in really handy. There we go, it's mixed together well, and it's time now to form our Triple B burger patties. So I've got 2 pounds of meat mixture here. The question becomes, how many patties am I going to get out of that? Am I going to be sort of normal and make 1/4 pound patties? That would be what, 8 patties? No, I'm going to go kind of big here. I'm going to make 2/3 pound patties. I'll get 3 patties out of this 2 pound mixture. We're going to go for a big burger. Now, we're not going to compress this down. We're just going to form it, and then we'll season it on the outside. That's about what I'm looking for. To season the outside of these Triple B burgers, I'm going to be using a South African smoke seasoning blend. This is from Trader Joe's. I've used it on other things, and boy, do I love it. So let's get this burger seasoned. This is going to be a hearty burger. Flip it over, get the other side. This seasoning blend also has such great colors in it. It's got flake paprika that it grinds down. So that's what we're looking for in terms of seasoning on the outside of this Triple B burger. I'm going to get the other patties made up, and we'll take it out to the grill. Okay, we have charcoal in the vortex on the Weber Kettle. Just screaming hot right now. First thing I want to do is want to get my bun toasted. Not going to take long. Okay, our bun is toasted. We're going to set this aside. We're going to move on to our onions. Got our 8-inch cast iron skillet there, heating up. We're going to add some sliced white onion, which has been dusted with a little bit of olive oil and black pepper. Okay, let's get our onions in there. Just want to get these softened up and browned a little bit, get a little bit of caramelization going. And in just a little bit, we're going to add something to them. You can see just how hot the briquettes get contained in that vortex. Remember, if you're working with cast iron, have good gloves. First time you accidentally grab the handle of a cast iron pan that's been over the coals, you learn really quick. Okay, we're going to add something to this now and move it off the heat because that cast iron will stay hot. We're going to give this a squirt of some Sweet Baby Ray's honey chipotle barbecue sauce. Mix it up. We're going to move it off the heat. So the nice thing about the vortex is you can create this direct and indirect zone. And in an open kettle, it's not even indirect. It's just sitting off to the side there. But we're going to take those onions out of that cast iron pan, get them back into a container so they stop cooking and don't overcook. All right, it's time to get our triple B burger on. You get such a nice sear from the briquettes in that vortex, and the vortex is only about half full today. See some of the flare up from that fat dripping down from that 73%. I love using 73% on the grill over coals. There's more flavor in it with the fat, and the grease comes off. Doing this one completely by feel today. No thermometer or anything. Hopefully that works out. All right, we're going to turn this now. Nice little sear on the outside. Wow, this is actually a moment with no traffic noise near my house. This must be the apocalypse. Oh no, there, now I hear some traffic. We're okay. It's going to be a bit of a decision time today of when to put the cheese on here, because this gets so hot over the vortex. I'm going to give this another little check here. Give it another turn. Getting close. Check this again here. Give it another turn, and then soon I'm going to add the cheese. Don't want it to fall apart. It's a big burger. Okay, it is time to get our cheese on here. Couple slices of pepper jack. That should not take long to melt. Quick tip, if you don't have a dome, just take a foil pan. Lay it over there for about 20 seconds. That burger looks done. Let's get it inside and build this triple B burger. There is our triple B burger, our bison beef barbecue burger with that pepper jack cheese and those onions with that barbecue sauce glaze on them. That looks good enough to eat. And I think that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. Most of the time in these taste tests, when I'm doing a burger, I'll cut it in half first. This one, I'm just going in full. But there we go. The triple B burger, bison, beef, and barbecue. Here we go. Oh, wow. Wow. That mix, not only of the beef and the bison, but those spices that we put inside, the pepper and the paprika. Oh, wow. And then that outside spice, that South African smoked seasoning blend. This is good. That pepper jack cheese on top. I do like cheese on burgers occasionally. I think I've said it before, I can't have cheese too much. It really works with this, especially pepper jack with that extra little spice. I know I react a lot when I'm eating stuff, but I really enjoy food. And I really enjoy when food turns out the way you wanted it to or surpasses that. I'm no expert on doing this. I'm just a guy who likes to cook. So when something like this really works, it makes me happy. You know, bison has a subtle flavor, but it's a rich, subtle flavor. It does benefit from more spices, and I do think it really benefits from being combined with other meats. I'd like to try it with some other things sometimes, maybe some ground lamb even, but with this 73% ground beef, really good mix. Those barbecue sauce glazed onions on top, they're just sort of the kicker. And if you got a good bun, toast it like this one. Helps hold everything together, gives you an extra little crisp when you bite into it. Remember, food isn't just about the taste. The taste is the paramount thing. The texture and the feeling is also important. And so that's why a toasted bun sometimes can add to things. I think I mentioned a little earlier in the video, if you're not sure about Bison, or if they call it buffalo in the store where you get it, usually it's called Bison, mix it with something else. But don't be afraid to try it on its own too. I did a video on that quite a while ago where I made bison burgers. If you mix them with things, you get additional flavor. If you do it on its own, you're going to probably want to add spices to it. Like I said, it's a subtle flavor, but a very rich flavor. So don't be afraid to try the bison by mixing it with things like this. It does give just regular ground beef an extra layer of flavor in there. Like I said, that richer flavor, it's a deeper flavor that really works well with it. There is a real perk to making these videos. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out some of the other videos on my channel and consider subscribing. And if you do, click that bell for notifications. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great evening. I'll see you again soon.